The 50mm lens should be the first prime lens you should own. It's affordable and it will boost your creativity. Hi, I'm Janet Garcia Trujillo from BeAQueensProductions.com. I am a family and portrait photographer, and in this channel I teach beginners the basics of photography and all the tips and tricks to improve your photography skills. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified when I post a new video every Wednesday. If you really want to own a prime lens, the 50mm is the one to buy. This little fella was my first prime lens and it helped me become a better photographer. There are three main reasons why the 50mm is the best prime lens for beginners. Reason number one, you can capture spontaneous action and your images will be clear and sharp. Reason number two, you are able to get a nice blurry background. In other words, a nice shallow depth of field. I personally love having a nice shallow depth of field in my photographs. It's part of my photography style. It drives the viewer straight to the person or object I want them to focus on. Comment me too in the comments below if you also love having a nice shallow depth of field in your photographs. Reason number three, it gives you the opportunity to get creative. Unlike kit lenses, you can't zoom in and out and stay in one spot. You have to think fast, think creatively, and move to get the composition you want. This doesn't mean that kit lenses are useless. I have a video that explains how and why kit lenses are the best starter lenses for photographers. The link to that video is in the description below. Going back to the 50mm, this lens is the best lens for every situation. With its low light sensibility and fast aperture, you can do portraits, sports, wedding, quinceañeras, and other type of photography. Plus, it's portable, so all you need is your camera, a good model, and the ability to think outside the box. That's it. Those are my three reasons why the 50mm is the best prime lens for photography beginners. If you like this video, make sure you like it and share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified when I post a new video every Wednesday. See you next week.